This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance wallet with Treasure NFT. There are two main ways to approach this: linking your Binance deposit address for withdrawals from Treasure NFT, and connecting a Web3 wallet like MetaMask for direct marketplace interaction. We will cover both methods to ensure you have a full guide. First, let's link your Binance account for withdrawals. Log into your Treasure NFT account and find the Assets section. Click on Withdraw, and if your wallet isn't bound, you'll see a prompt to link it. Next, open your Binance account, go to Deposit, select UST, and choose either the TRC20 or BEP20 network to get your unique deposit address. Now, return to Treasure NFT and paste the Binance deposit address into the designated field. You will also need to enter your login password and an email verification code, which you can request to be sent to your registered email. After entering these details, confirm the binding to finalize the connection for your withdrawals. For direct interaction with the Treasure NFT marketplace, you'll use a Web3 wallet. Install a browser extension like MetaMask. Then, add the Arbitrum network to your MetaMask settings, as Treasure NFT operates on Arbitrum. Finally, visit the official Treasure NFT marketplace website and click Connect Wallet to link your configured Web3 wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.